Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. So if you've accidentally unsubscribed from an email and now you want it back, no worries, in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So start by opening Gmail on your phone or browser. Log into the account where you unsubscribe from emails. Now in the search bar, type the name of the sender or the company and find an old email from them. This is important because it often contains the resubscribe option. So for example, I'm going to open Apple. Now open the email and you should see the unsubscribe button at the top or at the bottom. If you can find it, look for links like manage preferences, update email settings, or subscribe again. Then click on it to reopen your subscription settings. You will usually be redirected to the sender's website, and from there, you can re-enable emails or sign up again using your email address. Now, some sites may ask you to confirm via email. If you can't find old emails, you can check the promotions tab or the spam folder. Sometimes messages still exist there even after unsubscribing. If there's no resubscribe link, go directly to the company's website and sign up again, and use the same email address to start receiving emails again. And that's how you resubscribe to emails in Gmail quickly and easily. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.